Sit. You can give her a couple of treats. You can just give it to her. She doesn't have to sit or anything like that. Oh. Now ask her to sit.
Sit.
And paw.
Paw.
You paw.
Oh.
Good girl. There you go. Let's try that again if you can go outside and ring the doorbell again. And then when you see me do this, every single time I do this, it's a ring, okay? Girl. You can say like get a little bit more happy to see her.
Hello.
Yeah,
Roxy. I can't make any facial expressions in this.
You know, but that's.
Like,
Alright, you can take the mask
my eyes.
off. Alright, now make. Happy.
Hi, Roxy. Hi.
Girl, and keep saying hi.
Hello. Hello. Hello, pretty. You stink. You smell bad.
Yeah?
She smells bad. Like really bad. But you're so cute. Yes, you are.
She's just playing with the water outside. I can't.
That's right.
Yeah? 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 Is that it? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Sit. Yeah, he's gotta sit. Down. Down. That's a down. Sit. Yeah. There we go. Alright, you done? Wanna go kill him? Good girl. Oh, yeah. Yeah. She smells like wet dog.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No.
That's my cologne, wet dog.
I
Roxy?
know it too. It's me all along, Roxy.
Roxy, nothing on there.
Crazy.
There you go. Good girl. Yes. Yeah. What? Where are you going?